Hi everyone, welcome back to this English learning video. Today, we're going to learn 10 useful English sentences that you can use when you go to the market. Let's begin.
How much is this? Can I pay with a credit card? Do you have this in a different size? Can I get a discount, please? Is this fresh? Can I try it on? Do you have change for this? I'm just looking, thank you. I'll take it. Can you pack it for me, please? Great job. These simple sentences will help you feel more confident when you go shopping or visit a market in an English-speaking country. Practice them. Repeat them. And don't forget to use them in real life. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.